Born in the dark, built for the shadows. A one-of-one machine from Black Ops Customs. Every inch a tribute to a legend. Matte black bodywork, angular lines, stealth detailing hidden in plain sight. Gotham, reimagined in metal. It's not just a build, it's a symbol for those who move alone, unseen until it's too late. This is a vigilante on two wheels, ferocious when it moves, built to chase what others run from. In the city, it roars between the lights, a predator in black steel.